Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate Greek meal. It's chicken souvlaki if you couldn't tell, but we're doing it the Greek way with all the fixings. We got xoriatiki salad, we got tzatziki, we got pitas, rice. It's going to be so delicious. This is how my family, I feel like, barbecues most over the summer. It's the healthiest meal. It's so good. So my mom's going to come show us how she does everything, and we'll also set the table, and she'll share some tips and tricks. So come eat with us. I haven't done YouTube videos in so long, but I felt like the way we prep our meals, set the table and just everything, it is such a more in-depth experience, and it's so much fun to share on like every single level. So I was like, you know what, let's bring it to YouTube. Let's bring my mom to YouTube, and I hope you guys like this little cooking series that we're gonna do for you. All right. Welcome, you guys.
Hi, everyone.
We are so excited. Today, we are going to show you how to make our favorite chicken souvlaki dish. I feel like this is probably the #1 staple in our house, right?
Yeah, we'll make it quite often.
At least once a week, especially over the summer. I feel like everyone grills burgers, hot dogs, ribs, whatever it is. We do chicken souvlaki. It is so healthy and so delicious.
Good at room temperature.
They're good at room temperature. They're good cold, honestly, too.
I like it too.
Such a great Greek staple. To make the chicken souvlaki, we have chicken breast.
We like using chicken tenders because they are more tender.
These are 2 packs cut up, and we'll show you how we do another one. And then you need peppers,
onions.
Actually,
you can put any vegetable you want.
we do it with peppers and onions though.
Yeah.
First step is prepping the chicken.
Cut it into 3 pieces depending on how big it is. I also like to take the vein out.
You think that's why they're called chicken tenders? Because of the tendons?
Maybe.
So my mom cuts them and removes them all. So that way you don't have like anything chewy or like when you're eating your chicken. Oh, there's a good tendon right there.
Oh,
You almost missed one, Mom.
Here we go.
You know what's weird is I cook this all the time, and you know what I don't do?
What?
Touch the chicken. I cut
How
it
do
with
you
a
prep
fork.
it?
I guess I touch it when I skewer them.
Okay.
But when I'm prepping it, like I wouldn't,
Really?
I don't hold chicken like that.
Okay. Why not? You're afraid of the bacteria?
I don't know why I don't do that. Ma, I don't know if you remember this. You probably do because I've told you before. But when I was in Greece after I studied abroad,
Yeah.
I was in Athens, and then I went to Limnos, which is the island that my mom is from, which is like my favorite place in the entire world. We're actually going in a couple weeks. I'm so excited. I'll have to give you a full food tour there. I was going out to eat. Everything there was so delicious, so good. And I remember I called you. I was like, Mom, what is cotopolo filetto?
Oh.
It is the best thing I've ever had. She was like, that just means chicken breast. The chicken in Limnos, in Greece in general, is so fresh and so delicious.
Yeah, that's what
it just tastes so good. It makes such a big difference, honestly, having like really good fresh chicken like that. I feel like we don't really have that in the States as much. But anyways, I forgot we have to marinate the chicken. Jeez Louise, I was wondering what things were missing, and it's all the seasoning.
The seasoning, of course.
Okay, let me grab them.
And always soak your skewers in water so they won't burn when you have them on the grill.
We got oregano. Greek oregano, must be Greek oregano, the best.
And wouldn't measure, so.
Yeah, just use your eyes.
Yes, and be generous. No one wants some bland ass chicken, okay?
That's pepper. Salt. Cumin. I like a little bit of onion powder too. Balsamic vinegar.
A thicker one would have been better, but
And then olive oil.
put a generous amount of olive oil. I'm gonna put a little bit more of the oregano.
And maybe some salt. More salt, I
Yes.
think.
It's not a must.
A
Okay,
little bit
that's
of
enough.
balsamic glaze.
Okay, so now we're gonna add our vegetables in here.
Yeah, so you have the whole mix that we're making.
Have time marinated for a couple of hours at least.
Yeah, and then we're gonna cut our vegetables. Normally when I'm making this and Christian's around, I need double the amount of peppers.
Because he eats them, right?
He is obsessed with peppers. It is so freaking cute.
Peppers are cut. I'm just gonna put a little bit more salt and pepper.
Maybe a little bit more olive oil.
Yes.
See, you gotta always just learn to layer. We're gonna let these marinate. As my mom said before, the longer they can marinate for, the better.
Overnight.
Overnight. Like if I'm having a barbecue and I know I'm gonna make these, a lot of times I'll prep them the night before.
Oh yeah.
And then it makes
definitely.
it so much easier day of too.
Yeah, of course.
So as this marinates a little bit, we have that marinating, we have our skewers marinating. And soaking. Marinating in water. We'll start making some rice because you can't have this meal without rice, in my opinion. So first step to making the rice is?
Washing it.
Oh, I was gonna say adding butter to it.
You don't wash it?
I don't wash it.
You need to wash it.
Ew.
Yes. What do you mean, ooh?
I've never done it.
Okay, it's time you start washing it.
Okay. Is it dirty?
Yes, Christina. I'm not using a measuring cup. This is what I'm using.
Okay.
And, okay.
You think that's too much butter?
No.
This is the chunk of butter we're using.
About 2 tablespoons. It's not that much.
Kerrygold. Love me some Kerrygold salted butter. Although I have heard things about Kerrygold.
What have you heard?
I'm not really sure what's true anymore these days online,
If we
unfortunately.
listen to everything, we're not going to eat anything.
I know. I feel like this meal might seem complicated because there's like a couple different dishes, but it's so easy.
So easy.
And like you do your rice when your chicken is marinating. So it's like it all kind of comes together pretty easy. And then once you're just barbecuing the chicken, it's like done after that. We could honestly even start the xoriatiki while the rice is cooking.
Yeah. Absolutely.
We are efficient.
I'm putting a little pepper and salt in the rice. Usually 3-to-1 ratio with water
and
with
rice. So that means 1 cup of rice, 3 cups of water. You kind of have to watch it.
Yeah, and you can always add more.
Yeah. Bouillon cubes.
Add a lot of flavor. If you want, you can also do this instead of water.
Do
with
chicken stock
broth.
or chicken broth, yeah. 2 bouillon cubes, salt, water, and then should we cover it? Rice is underway. It's covered, it's cooking. Chicken is
It's about
marinating.
20 minutes.
Yeah. And now we'll do our xoriatiki salad?
Yeah.
Okay, time for salad. Xoriatiki salad. Let's show you everything that we have. A red onion. Cucumbers. I like using these little ones because they're just so easy to cut and you don't have to peel them.
Right.
Peppers.
Usually they use a green pepper.
Yeah.
But it's fine.
It's fine.
Whatever you have.
And an assortment of tomatoes. We're also gonna add Kalamata olives and pitted and a block of feta. Literally the easiest thing, you just chop everything, put it into the bowl. He came home and what did he do the second he got home? Let me see what you have in your hands. What is it?
Pepper and goody.
An agouti? You're the cutest.
Person, you're eating all our peppers.
Is coming along beautifully. Mom, do you have any knife skills for the class?
No, not really.
Nothing?
Knife skills?
Your like knife tips and tricks? Don't cut your finger?
Yeah, just watch what you're doing.
I feel like you always make fun of me for like my knife finger.
Because you don't know how to hold a knife.
Okay, so that's what I'm saying. You guys do this too, right? Little onion. Let me just show you. So I've had the skewers soaking in this like shallow like dish bowl plate, whatever it is. And now they're ready to go. So pretty together. And I also love the different sizes of tomatoes.
Yes. I'm gonna get a couple of more because Kristen ate them.
Getting some pitted kalamata. These you just get from Costco, right?
Yeah.
In a huge jar, and the kids are obsessed with them too. They go through like 20 of them a day. And a block of feta.
Sprinkle some
Oregano.
a generous amount of olive oil.
I just poured it out of the bowl. Like, how does that even happen? Why does that even happen?
Do you put any vinegar?
I don't. Okay, so now we can let this sit. And let's start skewering up our chicken. The way I like to do it is you start with a vegetable. So onion, chicken, pepper, chicken.
You alternate.
Yeah, that's an easier way to say it. You alternate between vegetables and chicken, and then also like the different types of vegetables. You want to keep it interesting and colorful. You don't want it to be too smushed together because you want the chicken to be able to cook.
To cook evenly, yes, absolutely.
And I always like to end cap them with a vegetable personally.
Oh yeah, of course.
Okay, so easy.
I'm gonna peel this cucumber because it's really very thick and I think the skin is gonna be very tough. What kind of a peeler is this, Christina?
I don't know what happened to the other peeler.
This is a shredder. It's not a peeler, but it peels.
You're making tzatziki, right?
Yeah. Just gonna grate this cucumber and squeeze all the liquid out. Put it into the bowl. This should do it.
Okay, I'm gonna go put the barbecue on. Did I ever tell you about that time that I almost blew Steve up in our home? It was our old barbecue, and I thought I put it on, but it turns out I actually didn't know how to use a barbecue. So I turned on the gas I forget what I did, but pretty much Steve opened up everything to start the barbecue and it literally like blew up. Like, I'm not kidding you. It sounds like I'm exaggerating. I'm not. Like, there was an explosion. It burned all the hair off his feet and ankles. We have like the, you know, the pans that collect like the fat underneath the barbecue went flying. Our pool guys were here and they were like, what the heck? It was crazy. And I'm saying this because I'm not 100% sure I know how to turn this barbecue on either. It's a new one.
See all the water that's coming out? You need to squeeze it and get all the water out. And don't throw this water out, drink it. It's very, very good for your complexion.
Like, what am I doing wrong? My mom knows her way around a grill, that's for sure.
Did you turn it on?
I thought you just turn it on pressing that button.
Did you turn on the tank?
No,
You have to turn on the tank first.
oh, well then that's the step I was missing. I thought that button turned it all on. My
If you
God.
don't have gas, how are you gonna turn it?
I thought that button turned the gas on.
No. This is the igniter. That's what it's
Okay.
called.
Anyways, my mom figured it out. Now I know what to do for next time. Got the chicken souvlaki. Gonna put these bad boys on the grill.
I'm gonna get a clove of garlic, and I'm gonna get the garlic press, and you put it directly in with the cucumber. Now we're gonna add the yogurt. I like fire yogurt, whole yogurt, 5%. But unfortunately, Christina doesn't have any, so we're gonna have to use this one.
I don't even see the flame. Shouldn't it sizzle? Okay, now we're in action. I don't know what the heck happened over there. Let's close this bad boy up and let them grill.
Now to this, we're gonna add a little salt and pepper. I like to put just a drop of lemon juice or red wine vinegar, whatever you prefer.
The noise of the landscapers everywhere right now is like the most suburban thing ever. But like, look how beautiful it is here. Oh, I like love it here so much. I feel like we literally won the lottery. It's just perfect.
Just a little bit of dill. It adds color and freshness to the tzatziki. Totally up to you. Skip it if you don't like dill.
All right, they're looking good. Oh yeah, perfection. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Chicken is almost done. It's so quick. I'm gonna go bring this in and get a fresh new platter.
Now we can put it into a smaller bowl and add a little bit of olive oil right on top. It looks pretty. Pinch of the dill. And our tzatziki is done.
Chicken is done. All right, throwing on some pitas on the grill. Chicken looks perfect, right?
Yeah, very, very good.
I got this tablecloth from Amazon actually, and it's the best because it does not wrinkle. Mom, as you're setting the table, is there anything in particular people should do? My mom is acting like she has no tips for setting the table. But meanwhile, the first thing she said was make sure you put the chicken, the centerpiece, in the center of the table. Also, like, if my mom sees a wrinkled tablecloth,
Oh yeah, I don't like that at all.
she's like, that's
I lose my
disgusting.
I got the rice and the tzatziki.
I got the xoriatiki salad and the pizza. So pretty. I'm so thirsty, actually. I've not drank water all day.
Yeah, let me pour you a glass.
Thank you. I love ice. Literally in high school, senior year, in the yearbook, they're like, what's your favorite food? And I put ice, which makes no sense because I wasn't skinny. You would be like, girl, we know you eat a lot.
I put a little parsley at the platter for the chicken.
This is my mom's signature move, which is what I feel like makes
A little
everything
garnish.
look better.
Yeah, a little
You garnish
garnish.
everything. Garnish
Yes.
every plate. Garnish the rice.
Yeah.
Garnish the tzatziki.
You don't put everything in a straight line, and height is always very, very important too.
Right.
we don't have height here right now, but
We are trying to do the best right now with 2 kids crying and having to leave the house in like 5 minutes ago, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, but should we eat?
Yes.
Let's do it. Okay, we did it, Mom. Xoriatiki. We hope that if you guys can't make it to Greece, we at least taught you how to bring Greece home to you. Gotta do chicken souvlaki. Cheers.
Cheers. Enjoy.
Oh my God.
Good?
So good.